Hi again, everyone. It is Tuesday, December the 14th of 2021. Starting off with the Astro Excel trend, we had that upward move Friday. We peaked out right on the green line here. We're tracking pretty well this week so far. We start the down move yesterday, about 6 a.m. when we came on. We're trading down. The green line is down until, let's call it, around 1:30 today. So we've got kind of a wide area bottom, but I'm going to call it, say, 1:30. So this downtrend is going to continue on through the day, and then we're going to start to trek back upward, but not a lot of upward pressure. It's kind of upward to flat sideways. As we get into tomorrow, then we're just kind of flatlining sideways between the 0 and 10 line. All right, let's look at how that timing window worked out yesterday. Okay, here are the points I gave in yesterday's video. We traded down in the early morning. We came to that window. We made low right at my first blue vertical line, which I talked about in the video yesterday. So we traded up into the next timing marker, and that was a 16-point up move. So you could have easily grabbed a good chunk of that and then taken that short. That went down about 10. It was a reactive move, and then the next leg up went to the end of that window. At the end of that window, when that turned down, you got another opportunity to take it short. Remember what I've talked about in the past with the beginning and end of these windows, especially when the windows align and flip together like they did here when we go red to white, and or white to red and gray to red. Let's take a look at where we are today right now. Okay, we've got this A1 or B1 rather bigger green window here, and then we've got the A2 white window. So right now we've made new low in that window. We expect more downward pressure. So let me grab a couple of timers and mark those out. Okay, marking out some key times in these two windows here. Now inside the green window, we've got this A1 block, white block here, which I marked by the blue line, and then the bright green A1 block marked by the blue line. There's a PH trigger time right there at the same time as the blue vertical line. I marked that with the narrow red rectangle. And then when we come into that white window later this morning, I've got the white A1 marked with the blue line and the green A1 marked with the blue vertical line. Then there is a PH overlap right there on that blue vertical line at about the 1018 mark. Then the green arrows are rainbow triggers. The one is at 1026 and the other is right at the start of the window at 958. So the start of the window and that blue vertical line would be pretty important because we've got multiple overlap of three timing triggers right there in that time zone. So it's going to play out something like it did yesterday, which I just showed here on the left where my cursor is at now. We've had these scenarios happen before, and if you watch these videos, you see these things repeat over and over again. So we get the same type of activity. So you'll see as we come into this area, you're going to look to see something similar, how we bounce right off these timing indications and set up these trades that are usually good for, at least 10 to 15 points bouncing off those timing triggers. So I'm going to leave that there for today. That's it for this video. We'll be back again on Wednesday, and we'll see you then.